If you experience a lot of leaking from the stuffing box, it's likely that the cotton graphite rope, the packing material, has worn out. In your spares bag, you will find several new pieces of graphite rope. To replace it, loosen the stuffing box and completely push it up. Take a piece of cotton graphite and place it around the piston rod. Now use any small screwdriver or any thin tool like a toothbrush to push the cotton graphite down. Push it down as far as possible. If there was a lot of leakage, it might be that you need to place 2 rounds of graphite rope. If you do this, always make sure that the opening of the second ring of graphite rope faces the opposite way to the first. Push the stuffing box down and turn it again until the threads grip. This should only be hand tight. If you find that the stuffing box does not want to grip to the threads, you might have actually placed too many cotton graphite rings. The maximum amount of rings to be used is 2. So if you're finding the threads aren't gripping, check this and make sure that you've only got 2.